It's okay, 35 हो गए. Still we have 25 minutes and we can do so many things in 25 minutes. Okay. Now future tense. First tense is yes. Simple future tense. Auntie, better tomorrow onward bring your own water bottle. No child is supposed to go out for water drinking. Except refilling, you have to fill only for refilling the bottle. Okay? अपनी bottle लेके आना. Okay, number one is simple future tense. Now listen to me very carefully. I'll give you some examples and you have to generalize the rule, okay? So your first example is with I these days we use both beta will or shall. Both are correct, okay? I shall or I will come back tomorrow. I will or I shall come back tomorrow. Next one is beta in the last 5 minutes or 10 minutes. First of all, complete this. They will shift to Delhi next year. Not only you have to tell me the rule, you have to tell me when do we use this tense. Okay. First of all, make the rule, then tell me when do we use simple future tense. Ishmeet, speak slowly. I want to ask online student also. Yes. Okay. Adnan, what is the rule?
Ma'am, rule is will plus first form of verb. Will shall plus first form of verb.
Will or shall? Shall is always used with I or we.
I-U.
Only I or we, yes. But this is optional. You can simply use will with all the subjects. Okay? Plus V1.
Ma'am, plus first form of verb.
Yes, plus V1. Okay. So when do we use it? Yes, Adnan, when do we use it? After that,
Ma'am,
I will come back tomorrow. She will bake a cake tomorrow. The action which will be done in
ma'am, future.
future. The action which will be done in the future, that is called simple future tense. So these type of words will be there and you will come to know that this is simple future tense. Tomorrow, next year, next month. Okay, these are the words. Now the next one is future continuous tense. Continuous means, speak up loudly. Continuous means, yes. Now you are audible. Future continuous tense, as we know, continuous means ing, obviously that will be there. So now I will write two sentences and you have to make the rule. And please tell me also when do we use it. Okay? So first sentence is, wait please. At 6 p.m. tomorrow, I will be sitting with you.
I need water.
At 9 p.m. next Sunday, he will be watching a movie. So you have to make the rule. Bhumika will make for us. Slowly, I have to give chance to online students again. Yes. 1 second. No, please. Only raise hands. Raise your hands. Well done. Yes. Now I will ask online student, one of the student. So Raymond is at number 2. Yes, Raymond.
Ma'am, the rule is
The rule
ma'am,
is
will be, shall be plus V1 and plus ing
will be, shall be, V1, ing.
plus ing.
Okay. Well done. So when do we use it? Ishmeet will tell us, then I will ask online student. Yes. Okay. Yes. So Sana, please let us. Okay, she is not here. Harshika is on at 3rd place. Harshika, when do we use this tense, beta? Obviously, in future. Someone told that in future. This is future tense. Obviously, future is there. But when do we use it? Yes, Harshika. Harshika, speak up, beta. I'm not able to hear.
Then the time is given.
Yes. When we are talking about particular time, then we use. We are talking about one special time, then we use future continuous tense. Simple future में क्या था? We'll do that action in the future, but no time is specified. He will bake a cake tomorrow, maybe in the morning, evening, maybe at any time. But here I am just telling you the time, exact time, that at this time what will be happening. So this is your future continuous tense. Now I am moving to future perfect tense. Perfect means, who will tell me? Well done. Perfect means third form of verb. So we will be having third form of verb. Let's write 2 sentences. जिसकी टर्न नहीं आई प्लीज स्लो. Well done. Ekant, you are at 4th place. Please tell me the rule.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Tell me the rule, please.
Ma'am, will have, shall have plus. Ma'am, will have, shall have.
Perfect tense, beta. Which form always? Perfect.
Ma'am, plus first form of verb.
In perfect, always use third form of verb, beta. Perfect, always third form of verb. Always use third form of verb. And Ekant, you were saying that you are having any doubt and then connection problem was there. You can ask me your question.
Ma'am, now there is no doubt.
Okay, there is no doubt. Okay. Next one is future continuous perfect. ये कौन सा tense है? Okay, now speak up together. जो घर पे बैठे वो भी बोलो please. Continuous means? So one thing is sure, there is ing. No? Continuous देखना, perfect अभी verb में नहीं देखना. Whenever continuous is there, ing is always there. अच्छा, हमने फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस की यूज नहीं की. व्हेन डू वी यूज इट? कंप्लीट एक्शन इन फ्यूचर. ठीक है, व्हेन द एक्शन विल हैव कंप्लीटेड इन फ्यूचर. ठीक है, नाउ फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. Add one thing. By 2025, wait. By 2030, we shall have been working in this office. ये बहुत लॉन्ग सेंटेंस होते हैं. इन दिस ऑफिस सिंस नो फॉर ओनली. Such a long sentence. Even I am also tired. Okay. So, wait. पहले तो ये क्या होता है? Do we call these manners? I don't think so. Mannerful students do like that. अपनी सीट पे खड़े होके मैम. Yes. Okay, बस. He will complete. Kavan.
Shall have been plus belong to plus V1 plus
Yes, well done. So, Sia, please tell us the rule.
Ma'am, I am Sana.
Oh, sorry, Sana. Yes. Sana, tell us.
Ma'am, will have or shall have plus been plus ing plus V1.
Okay, will or shall में से एक चीज. Okay, have is sure, have
Plus-
there, then
Plus been
plus been is
plus
ing. Okay, V1 ing
ing plus V1.
plus for or since. So since or for always used perfect continuous tense. कब use होते हैं श्मीत? Yes. The action started in the past and it is continued in the future also. Like 2030, we shall have been working in this office for 15 years. तो 2030 में हमें 15 years हो जाएंगे इस ऑफिस में काम करते हैं. Okay? So this is the action in future, but it started in the past or maybe present. Okay, so this is the end of our tenses. Now let's revise one thing more. Quiz हो जाएगी. कल का दिन पूरा पड़ा बेटा हमारे पास. पहले सिलेबस खत्म करते हैं फटाफट. I'll tell you. पहले एक चीज नोट करना. It's a kind of quiz, okay? It's a kind. अभी हम जो करने लगे हैं kind of quiz ही है. Now please make some lines. We'll make one tense chart. Make some lines. No, this is 10th chart.
मैंने बनाना है
Make the lines, please, everyone. अभी रख नोटबुक पे रख सी लाइन बना. Here write down present. Write down present, past, future, and in the top line write down simple tense, continuous, perfect, perfect, continuous, like this. Now, in the first line, in the first this box, beta, बना लोगे तो आपके लिए better, I think. Then you will be able to revise this thing in exams also. कर दो, fair पे कर दो. So this is present, this is simple. What is the rule of simple present tense? Anyone? Simple present tense. Yes, beta. Bhumika. After that, Hridaypreet. इज़ेमार कहाँ से आ गया सिंपल टेंस में बेटा? V1 plus S or ES with singular. Okay. Next is Hridaypreet. Hridaypreet, second box. Present continuous.
Ismr plus V1 ing.
Ismr V1
ing.
Okay, well done. Next one is Prithvi, go. Jaldi se aana, go. Raise your hands, other students also. Now same students are there. Yes. Present perfect. Has have plus V3. Okay, well done. Next one. I'm starting from the beginning. After that, Kaushilender. Amanpreet Singh also. Yes,
Yes,
Adnan.
ma'am.
Adnan, present perfect continuous.
Ma'am, present perfect continuous rule is V3 plus.
Continuous word is there, beta.
Ma'am, ing plus has have.
और इनको join कौन करेगा?
Ma'am, will be. Been since.
Been is always there in the last one. Yes, since for be. Okay. Side पे लिख लो since for. Okay, since for. Next one is Kaushilender, simple past tense. Simple past tense. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, had plus V3.
Simple past tense. आपके अलावा और कोई नहीं जो हैंड रेस करेगा? So many times.
Ma'am, yes, had plus V3.
Beta, V3 always comes in perfect. I am asking simple past. Madhav, roll number 19. ये क्या तरीका है बेटा? आंसर भी बोल दिया साथ में. Yes, Madhav.
Ma'am, V2 plus SES singular.
No S or ES, only V2. Only V2. She wrote a letter or she wrote a letter, beta? Only V2. Continuous means Amanpreet,
Yes, ma'am.
past continuous.
Ma'am had plus V3.
Past continuous beta, past continuous.
Past continuous. Ma'am was were plus ing plus V1.
चलो अब हम okay, we'll do now together. Perfect means perfect continuous में one thing is there, been तो हमेशा ही होता है और V1 ing भी. इसमें बोल रही हूँ बेटा. टाइम बचा तो. Had been V1 ing and since for. No, perfect V3 only. Now simple future. भूमिका बता ही दो, आप कब से हैंड रेज कर रहे हो. Okay, well done. Continuous है तो obviously V1 yes. Perfect है तो always which form? अभी ये मैंने देखना है आपको बिना देखे कितने आते हैं. Oh yes, last one is been obviously. Now observe this table. There is no negative sentence क्योंकि वो हम separately करेंगे कभी. But right now you have to do positive sentences only. Now please one thing. अब इसको अच्छे से observe करो. This thing is common in all. You can make your own tense chart also at home. बिना देखे. What you have to do आपने ऐसे lines draw करनी है. Continuous में V1 ing, V1 ing, V1 ing. Okay. Then आपने सोचना है this is present, is MR, past में was were, future will be shall be. This column is done. Now come to the perfect one. V3, V3, V3. तीनों V3 लिख दिया आपने. Then has have, present, had, past, will have, yes, future. तो ये दो columns आपके easily बन जाएंगे. Now come to the last one. Been ing सब में आ रहा है. ध्यान से देखो. Been ing, been ing, been ing. 3 बार लिख लिया आपने. अब आपने क्या करना है, इसका हेल्पिंग वर्ब उठाओ परफेक्ट का. इसका हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या था? हैज हैव, राइट हियर हैज हैव. इसका क्या था? राइट हैड. इसका will shall have, will shall have. Now you can make your, just you have to learn this first column. Otherwise last 3 columns are so easy that you can make your own tense chart. I hope it's clear to you now. Now show me thumbs up if all the things are clear to you, online students. Show me thumbs up. Okay, Raymond को I think नहीं समझ आया. She's not showing thumbs up. Raymond, you can ask your question. Sana, okay, done. Adnan, okay.
No, मैम मुझे समझ.
Yes, Raymond.
मैम मुझे समझ तो आ गया. वो मेरा गलती से हेडफोन उतर गया तो समझ नहीं आया आपने क्या बोला.
Okay. मैं नहीं बोला था thumbs up. Show me thumbs up. अब आपने honestly घर पे क्या करना है? You have to make this thing and you have to, get it checked from your parents and show them that we know how to make tense chart. Okay? Will you do that? चलिए बेटा. Now this is the end of the period. Tomorrow is their quiz beta. I'll give you 10 sentences. Then you have to fill in the blank. Tomorrow is your quiz. Take care and I'll meet you tomorrow.